Hey everyone! Today we're exploring one of Vietnam's hidden gems, Cat Ba Island. I just arrived after a short ferry ride from Hai Phong, and wow! This place already feels like paradise. Look at those towering limestone cliffs rising straight out of the emerald water. It's like stepping into a postcard. The ferry ride itself was so peaceful. You can feel the sea breeze brushing your face, and the smell of salt water is just intoxicating. Cat Ba is the largest island in the Cat Ba archipelago, and it's part of the famous Ha Bay region. But it's quieter, less crowded, and feels way more raw and natural. I'm staying in a small homestay just near the town center. The host welcomed me with a big smile, and I can't wait to explore the island over the next few days. Let's check in and then head straight to the beach. First stop, Cat Ba Town. It's a small, lively place with colorful houses, buzzing markets, and friendly locals who are always up for a chat. I grabbed a cup of Vietnamese iced coffee from a street-side stall. That sweet, strong coffee is the perfect pick-me-up before a day of adventure. The town is tiny, so everything is within walking distance. I wandered through the local market. It's full of fresh seafood, fruits I can't even name, and the smell of herbs and spices everywhere. I love just observing daily life here. Locals go about their day. Fishermen unload their morning catch, and kids are playing by the harbor. There's a laid-back energy here. Not rushed, not crowded, just real life by the sea. And the best part? You can rent a scooter from the town for less than $10 a day, which I highly recommend for exploring the island at your own pace. No trip to Cat Ba is complete without a boat tour of Lan Ha Bay. It's often overshadowed by Ha Long Bay, but honestly, it might be even better. Fewer tourists, quieter waters, and just as breathtaking. I hopped on a small boat and we cruised through limestone karsts that rise dramatically from the sea. The water is so clear, you can see the fish swimming below. Some of the cliffs even have hidden caves and secluded beaches. You can kayak right into them. Speaking of kayaking, I rented one for an hour and paddled into a tiny, secluded cove. The water was so calm, the sky reflected perfectly on the surface, and the only sounds were birds and my paddling. Moments like this make you forget the world outside. The boat crew also served fresh seafood right on board. Grilled squid and shrimp caught just that morning. Eating this while floating among the karsts? Absolutely surreal. No visit to Cat Ba is complete without a beach moment. I headed to Cat Co 1 and Cat Co 2, small sandy coves tucked beneath cliffs. The sand is soft, the water refreshing, and there's this wonderful tranquility. I spent some time just lounging, swimming, and taking in the scenery. Locals were playing volleyball and kids were laughing in the waves. As the day ended, the sunset painted the sky in shades of pink, orange, and purple. I climbed a small cliff nearby for the panoramic view. Absolutely breathtaking. The sun slowly dipped behind the limestone karsts, and the water shimmered like gold. Moments like this are why I love traveling. You get to pause, breathe, and just feel completely present. As night falls, Cat Ba Town transforms. Streetlights glow on the calm streets, local markets buzz a little less, and small restaurants come alive. I tried the famous Vietnamese seafood hot pot, rich, flavorful, and fresh. There are a few bars with live music where locals and tourists mingle. It's not a wild party scene, but it's cozy, social, and friendly. I ended my day at a rooftop cafe overlooking the harbor, sipping a cold drink while watching lights reflect on the water. It's peaceful, reflective, and the perfect way to end a full day of adventure. Cat Ba Island is a hidden gem that balances adventure, natural beauty, and local life perfectly. From kayaking in secluded coves to trekking in the jungle, to relaxing on quiet beaches, it's a place where you can experience so much, yet feel completely relaxed and disconnected from the chaos of city life. If you're planning a trip to northern Vietnam, skip the crowded spots and spend at least 2 to 3 days here. Trust me. Cat Ba will stay in your memory long after you leave. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more adventures across Vietnam. Until next time, keep exploring.